Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Reggae artist Jacure has released a single off his anticipated album Royal Soldier. The track, dubbed Pretty Face, is dedicated to celebrating women and their beauty. The song is the first track that is featured on his upcoming album produced by VP Records. Jacure is scheduled to release his new album come August 30. This new album will be a follow-up to his 2015 release, The Cure. Royal Soldier also features collaborations with artists Damian Marley, Tory Lanez, Popcorn, Capleton, and Junior Reid. The Grammy-nominated singer is currently on his Royal Soldier tour, which kicked off on July 1. The tour will see Jacure making stops in Norway, Africa, Suriname, among others. Jacure returned from Kenya last week on a courtesy call from the governor of Nairobi, Mike Sonko. He also led the cleanup of the Nairobi River and the Nairobi City monthly cleanup exercise and visited the Maasai Monduli village. He shared photos on his social media account dressed in tribal wear and engaging in chants. American rapper Rick Ross recently announced the date for his forthcoming album dubbed Port of Miami 2. Ross is gearing up to release the new music, with the album expected on August 9. The project will arrive 13 years after the original version was released back in 2006. Rick Ross also revealed the cover art for the project on his social media account. The Miami rapper also paid homage to his late friend and former manager Black Bo, who died in 2017 after falling ill. The cover art features a photo of Ross holding a pendant with Black Bo's image on it. Ross also shared a trailer for the project in which he got baptized. Rick Ross has released 2 singles off the album so far, a collaboration with the Swiss Beats, Big Time, and he also released the Wale-assisted track Act a Fool. The trailer for the upcoming album was released today, with Rick Ross giving fans a sneak peek of what to expect from the album. Veteran entertainer Chaka Demus has released yet another solo album titled Success. The album features 14 songs and is produced by his own label. Among the tracks featured on the album are No Money, No Love, Forward and Pull Up, and Never Give Up, creating the much-needed international impact. The project is a true reflection of Chaka Demus' versatility in dancehall and reggae music. Chaka Demus and the pair, Pliers, are known for several hit singles such as Murder, She Wrote and Twist and Shout. Creating hits on his own though, Chaka has released these successful singles One Scotch, Bad Bad Chaka, Young Girl Business, and Everybody Loves the Chaka, among others. Now, dancehall artist Zyklone has earned his 3rd Billboard album entry for his newly released album Year of the Wolf. The album debuted at number 3 on this week's reggae albums chart. The 10-song set was released on July 28 and features collaborations such as Make It Clap remix with Conscience, We Run the Roads with Styler G, Craze 24 and Big Van, and Do Better featuring Javinci. Zyklone's previous entries are From the Basement to the Big Leagues, which went to number 1 back in 2017, and the 2018 album 2734 Waterford Parkway, which peaked at number 4. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.